Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with USD Japanese yen. The dollar steadied against yen on Tuesday as Federal Reserve policymakers talked about more interest rate hikes. The greenback was up against the euro but losing ground against the British pound and yen, with all eyes on central banks and impact on economic growth from their efforts to tame inflation. Minneapolis Federal Reserve Bank President Neil Kashkari said in a Wall Street Journal interview Tuesday that the Fed needs to keep tightening until it has evidence underlying inflation is heading down. Then should pause and let the tightening works its way through the economy to see if it has done enough. A strong resistance can be seen at 145 and upside break can rise towards 146. Next, GBP USD. The British pound was higher against the dollar on Tuesday, a day after hitting a record low as the Bank of England and UK Treasury attempted to calm market concerns after the government announced tax cuts. The pound hit an all-time low at 1.0327 on Monday, prompting calls for a big intermittent interest rate hike from the Bank of England. Although the bank and government acknowledged the turmoil in markets, they stopped short of any action. In remarks on Tuesday, Bank of England chief economist Peel said the central bank is likely to deliver a significant policy response to the government's tax cuts, but that it should wait until the next scheduled meeting before making its move. Immediate support is seen at 1.06. A break below could take the pair towards 1.05, psychological level. And finally, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar edged high against US dollar on Tuesday as oil prices rose, but the move was limited as investors worried that the continued much higher in bond yields would tip the global economy into recession. The US 10-year yield, a major benchmark for borrowing costs globally, climbed to a fresh 12-year high, and Wall Street sank deeper into a bear market. Further dynamic of the pair will depend on the US dollar and the oil market, given the expectation that the dollar will grow and the oil will update local lows. The decline in the Canadian currency will continue. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.38 and upside break can rise towards 1.40. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.